Oh, my parcel's arrived from Jessica, from Flow Up by Jessica. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, lovely. Oh, I better give Tracey a quick ring, see if she's got hers. Let's give her a quick ring. Hope she's in. Oh, it's ringing.
Hello?
Hello, you right?
Yeah. Oh, is it Sally? Should know your voice by now. How are you doing?
All right, good. Have you received your parcel from Jessica yet? Mine's arrived.
Oh, no, no. I suspect mine will come tomorrow then if she posted them at the same time. But yeah, what's it? What you got?
Oh, they're all these little you know, I think the best way to describe them is, you know, Crocs shoes, the rubber
Yeah.
shoes with holes in, and you can get
Yeah.
bags like similar to that as well.
I think I've seen the bags, yeah.
Yeah, well, you can get charms that you can accessorize your bags and shoes with. And she's 3D printed all these lovely charms for us to fill in with resin.
Oh, I see.
They're beautiful.
I wasn't sure what she meant when she described them before. That's good, right?
Yeah, so some of them have got, well, they've all got magnets in, but you can also put little grommets on the back to put them into your bags or your shoes as well.
Ah, that sounds
Yeah, they're
fun.
beautiful. There's little bottles of mica powder, and there's little mixing cups, and there's all sorts. There's part A and part B of resin.
So it's all resin themed that she said. Yeah, she said something about it being resin themed.
Yeah, they're all resin related. They're gorgeous.
That sounds awesome. So what's the plan then?
Well, I was thinking maybe if we do a collab, how are you looking for the 30th
of September?
Yeah.
Like it's just a couple of weeks away, isn't it? Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can do that. Is that a Tuesday?
Yes, I think it is. Yeah, because I normally post on a Tuesday anyway. So if you're happy with that,
yeah, that works for me. I can do that.
Oh,
yeah,
excellent.
That sounds good. So do we need? I suppose we need Jess to go first, don't we? So if she goes, you're normally. What time do you normally go?
7 o'clock.
7.
Yeah.
So if she goes at sort of 6:30, 7:15, something like that, and then I go after you, and then I go after you.
Yeah.
Does that work?
Perfect.
Okay. So right, we better speak to Jess. Do you want to contact Jessica, and see if you can let her know and check that date's okay? And I'll start spreading the word.
Lovely. Yep. I'll let her know.
Brilliant. Okay. Speak to you soon then. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Well, how exciting. We've got a collaboration. So Sally, myself, and Jessica, we're going to be doing a collaboration on the 30th by the sound of it. Watch this space. We'll get the dates and the time confirmed in the details below. And of course, it'll be popping up miraculously on the screen for you as well. See you there, folks.